Hi, I'm Joel Reedy, an attorney at Cornerstone Law Firm. Today I want to talk to you about power of attorney documents. A power of attorney document, often called a POA, is a document wherein you can name someone who can manage your property and possessions for you. This is extremely important for people who are getting older and who need help managing their possessions, but it can also be a really great estate planning tool for younger couples who need to name someone in the event that they were in some sort of an accident and their kids or other dependents need access to their funds. POA documents typically will name your spouse in most cases, and then a backup person to take over if the spouse is unavailable. What this means is, as a practical matter, nothing will change in your day-to-day life. You and your spouse, who already have access probably to all of your joint accounts and everything else, will continue to have that access, and no one else will be granted access. But in the event of a catastrophic injury or of an unforeseen circumstance, then that person can take over instead of your spouse. Power of attorney documents are also used for people who are going out of the country. If you're going into the military, the Peace Corps, if you're a missionary, if you're heading overseas for a long trip and you want someone here to be able to pay your bills, a POA is a great way to do that. Power of attorney documents also name who would be appointed your guardian in the event that you needed one. So as people get older, this is really important because sometimes government agencies, even nursing homes, will come in and get involved and will ask a court to appoint a guardian. The POA document is who names who you want as your guardian if a court decides that you're no longer mentally competent. POA documents can save a lot of expense and trouble down the line because they avoid the need for guardianships in a lot of situations. So if you or a family member want to assess your options as part of your estate planning, call us at Cornerstone Law Firm. We'll be happy to talk to you about POA documents, ways to use them, ways not to use them, and other things to consider with them.